The 2022 Land Rover Range Rover has made its global debut. The 5th generation luxury SUV sports an evolutionary design language with smoother lines and a minimalist approach. The new Range Rover is based on the automaker's MLA Flex platform and will be offered in both standard and long wheelbase versions. For the first time, the automaker is offering the option of a 7-seater too, with the wheelbase growing by 200mm. Inside, the cabin gets a clutter-free look with a digital console and a touchscreen infotainment system. The model also gets a 1600-watt 35-speaker Meridian sound system and the world's first active noise-cancelling speakers embedded in the headrest. The 2022 Range Rover also comes with all-wheel steering, a 360-degree camera with night shift mode, and also the updated Terrain Response 2 system. Engine options include a plug-in hybrid, along with petrol and diesel options depending on the market. A fully electric version is set to arrive in 2024 as well. The new Range Rover will make its way to India as early as next year. The Škoda Slavia compact sedan is all set to make its global premiere in India next month, and ahead of the launch, the automaker has released specifications of the upcoming model. The new offering will be based on the MQB A0iN platform shared with the Kushaq, and the model will share engine options too. The Slavia will get the same 1-litre TSI petrol and the 1.5-litre TSI petrol engines. The 1-litre TSI makes 113 brake horsepower and 175 Nm of peak torque. It comes paired with a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic. The bigger 1.5-litre TSI makes 148 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of peak torque and comes paired with a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed DSG automatic. The unit also gets active cylinder technology for better fuel efficiency. The Škoda Slavia will come with 6 airbags on the top variants, and the car has been designed keeping pedestrian safety in mind. We have driven the prototype for the new Slavia, so make sure to check that story on our YouTube channel. Maruti Suzuki India has released its financial results for the second quarter of 2022 financial year. The company saw a net profit of 475 crore rupees during this period, which is a 65% decline compared to the same quarter last fiscal. During the previous quarter that ended on 30th of September 2021, Maruti Suzuki's net sales stood at 19,297 crore rupees, a 9% growth compared to the second quarter of the 2021 financial year. With respect to the net profit in the first half of the fiscal, the company's profit stood at 916 crore rupees, a decline of 18% when compared to the 2021 financial year. Between July and September 2021, Maruti Suzuki's total sales stood at 3,79,541 units, a marginal decline of 3.4% year-on-year. An estimated 1,16,000 vehicles could not be produced due to the electronic component supply shortage globally. However, exports were the highest ever in the company's history, with Maruti shipping 59,408 units during the last quarter, the highest ever in any quarter for the manufacturer.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.